Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Trash to Teach.
What is AI? You've probably heard of AI everywhere, from self-driving cars to chatbots. But what exactly is AI, and why is everyone talking about it? Understanding AI is crucial in today's world, because it's transforming how we live, work, and solve problems. AI powers tools we use daily, like virtual assistants, recommendation systems, and smart devices, making life more efficient and convenient. It's also driving innovation in fields like healthcare, where AI aids in disease detection, and in industries like transportation with self-driving cars. By understanding AI, individuals and businesses can adapt to these changes, leverage its potential, and address ethical challenges like bias and job displacement. Ensuring its responsible and impactful use in society, AI is the simulation of human intelligence by machines, especially computer systems. Types of AI. The first one is narrow AI. Narrow AI is AI designed for specific tasks, examples like Siri, Google Translate. The second is general AI. General AI is AI that can perform any intellectual task a human can, still theoretical. The third one is super AI, a concept where AI surpasses human intelligence, speculative. Real-world examples of AI. Everyday AI. Virtual assistants. The AI powers tools like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, helping with tasks such as setting reminders, answering questions, or controlling smart home devices. Next is recommendation systems. Platforms like Netflix, YouTube, and Spotify use AI to suggest movies, videos, and songs based on your preferences and past behavior. Next is smart devices. AI is built into devices like smart thermostats, e.g. Nest, and robotic vacuum cleaners, e.g. Roomba, learning your habits to optimize energy use or clean more efficiently. Business and productivity. Customer support, automation, and language translation. Chatbots like ChatGPT or AI tools integrated into websites provide instant customer support, answering questions or resolving issues. Automation is AI streamlines repetitive tasks in industries like finance, marketing, and logistics, improving efficiency and reducing human error. Language translation. Tools like Google Translate and DeepL use AI to translate text and speech in real time, breaking language barriers. Healthcare. Disease diagnosis. AI helps doctors by analyzing medical images, like X-rays or MRIs, to detect conditions such as cancer or heart disease faster and with high accuracy. Personalized medicine. AI analyzes genetic data to suggest treatments tailored to an individual's unique biology. Virtual health assistants, apps like Ada or Babylon, Health use AI to provide symptom checks and health advice,